So thanks guys for watching, I hope you enjoyed this short video. It's not really the best or the sturdiest solution, but I do use this quite a lot if I just need to really quickly set up my GoPro and I don't want to have to build an entire rig that's in there all the time and it gets in the way when I'm not using it. So for me personally, I find this is just the quickest and the easiest solution to having a top-down camera if I want my GoPro and my main camera filming at the same time. I hope you guys learned something from this. If you did, please do drop it a like and comment below what you want to see next. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and ring the bell so you can get in there early on all my new content, new tutorials every single week. Anyway, that's it from me. I'll see you guys in the next one. What do you guys think of the new haircut? Did this myself. Why am I wearing glasses? These are my blue light glasses. Look, I know you guys aren't all subscribed and you're missing out, frankly. New tutorials every week, sometimes twice a week, and just what? Why wouldn't you subscribe? Why wouldn't you want to see that? Drop my glasses. Just new information that I'm just giving you for free every single week, sometimes twice a week. Just subscribe now, do it now, and you won't regret it. Just